Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to present to you a trading setup for Pyth Network, and this is a project that I'm personally trading, and this trading setup will include a price prediction, technical analysis, everything you need to know about Pyth Network. The duration of this trade will be from 3 up to 4 months minimum. I think up to 1 year is just going to depend on what's going to happen on the market. And there are 3 phases of that trade that I'm doing here. The phase 1 will be accumulation zone right here. Phase 2 will be take profit levels, but I'm gonna get into that in a minute because depending on what's gonna happen on the BTC market and Bitcoin dominance specifically will determine whether I'm gonna take profits into USDT or BTC, but I'm gonna talk about it in a minute. The third phase will be going from BTC into cash, or from going into cash, then into BTC, and then back into cash, depending what's going on in the market and how long this trade is going to take, whether we're going to be still in altcoin season, or whether we're going to enter another micro cycle. But stay tuned, we're going to talk about everything. Of course, it's not financial advice as always. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I'm so happy we just passed 1K. All the best in the new year, and let's get it rolling. So for this specific trade, I'm aiming into making 4x on this altcoin and 2x on BTC on the second phase, which is 8x. So if I'm putting, let's say, 2K in this trade, my final goal will be 16K. However, this is a risky move, so no financial advice, but I always recommend using a very tiny part of your portfolio for the risky move. But it's a big chance it's going to be successful because I've done it before in the past and it worked super well. So the idea is to take profits earlier on the market from the altcoins and just like leave this project, not wait for all-time high, not wait for like super high take profit levels, because we may never see it. It's better to take profits along the way up, a little lower than most of the traders and investors, and secure that profit and move it into either BTC or Ethereum or cash and make one double on BTC. And that way you can make 4x here and 2x on BTC, and that's 8x, which is much safer than actually holding an altcoin, low cap altcoins, and literally hoping for really high prices. And why am I saying that? Because a lot of people are predicting Pyth Network to go like 10x from here, or even 15x or something like that. It is possible, and it is possible obviously, but for me, doing 10x means going to 13 billion in market cap, which would give us a price of $3.53 dollars. And if we go to CoinGecko, I'm checking Pyth Network, we have it on number 96, trading at 37 cents, $1.3 billion market cap. So let's say 10x would put us to 13 billion around, which would mean going into top 20 right now. So it's actually above Hedera, above Polkadot, HBAR. Is that really possible? I don't think so. I think those predictions are only to provide liquidity for the whales. So you buy and hold, and you never sell, and you just lose your profits. That's the manipulation they're going to trick on you. So it's much better to take that profits along the way up, much earlier. You can secure that, you can put it into BTC and double that, and have the exact same result with much lower risk. All right, so let's get into the phase 1, and the phase 1 is accumulation process that I'm actually doing right now. And I accumulated Pyth Network at around 40 cents was my first purchase, and second purchase was around 36 cents. I had another limit order literally when we go to Bybit, it was at 32 cents. I'm going to show you because this is hilarious. I had a limit order at 33 cents, 0.2, and it was right here, and we actually got to 32 points, 0.3. Like, my limit order was right here. So I was almost right, and that would have been amazing because that purchase was a little, like, twice bigger than I usually do, and with that bounce I would have been around 20-25% in profit, and I could have just sold it with that profit and reaccumulate that. But it's okay. I really think it's possible that we're gonna retest those lower levels. Let's go to trading view right here. So I made those levels right here, those support levels on the chart. You can see it 32 cents. If we break that, we're gonna go lower to around 27-28 cents. That's the second one, and which is if this is 1K, this is gonna be 1500, something like that. The lower we can get is, I think, 22 cents, this area right here. And if that's 1K, and I would just double the purchase right here. Non-financial advice, as always. So I'm really, even though I am into that project, into that trade already, I am really hoping that we're gonna go lower, possibly here, before actually moving up. Why? I'm gonna explain it to you in a really simple way. So for example, my first purchase was around 40 cents, and if we measure my trade from 40 cents up to this level right here, because I'm planning to take profits at just before $1, and that would give us 150% of profit, right? But if we actually go to the lowest support, let's say 25 cents over here, and we're just gonna retest those levels here, which is possible. That would mean let's just measure it from here up to that level, would give us, I think it was like 300%. There you go. We have over 300% of profit, which is twice bigger profit. It's amazing, right? So right here on this chart, it doesn't look big of a drop, but on the way up, it makes huge, enormous difference. So I'm ready to lose half of the position that I have from 40 cents, which is going to go minus 50%, just to accumulate the coin at around 25 cents. That would be amazing, because I know I'm just going to recover that loss on the way up, on the bounce, right? So I'm waiting for the accumulation zone here. I already purchased 2 levels, and the lower we get, the more levels I'm just going to accumulate. And my goal for average purchase will be around 27-28 cents, which will give around 400% of profit, like 300% of profit, which is 4x basically. I planning to take all of my profits, most of my profits, depending how long the market's going to be in a bull market. Like, I'm going to look at BTC. If the BTC is still accumulating of a correction, if the bull market is going to last longer, then maybe I'm going to hold it to that level, 1.618 right here. And this is a Fibonacci retracement level measured from this bottom right here to this all-time high right there, and it's very accurate. And I think that's the absolute top. Maybe I'm gonna leave like 20%. I will see what's gonna happen. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Like, just stay tuned, because I'm gonna upload more videos on Pyth Network, and I'm gonna let you guys know how this trade is going for me. So the second phase is actually taking profits, and the taking profits will be at this 786 level right here, 96 cents. As I told you guys, just before $1, and another level will be 116, 115 right there, so just before the all-time high. And maybe I'm gonna go to 1.73 right there. So those are my 3 take profit levels. And then next phase will be, I'm gonna be looking at first altcoin and Bitcoin season. So if we're gonna be in an altcoin season right there, then I'm gonna take profits into BTC. If we're gonna be in a Bitcoin season, then I'm gonna look at BTC, and if Bitcoin on this chart is gonna be around between 120, 140 or higher, then I'm not taking profits into BTC. I'm gonna take profits into cash. If we gonna go sideways, maybe I'm gonna put a little bit into BTC, but my plan is to wait for major correction. So if something like that happens, then I'm gonna use that cash to accumulate more BTC and then sell that BTC on the way up. So from that level, I think we still can pull out like another 100% up to like 150, 140, something like that. I think we can go up to 200,000, but I'm not gonna haul anything. Maybe a little moon back, but most of the profits I'm planning to take between those two levels. So that would be ideal setup. First of all, Pyth Network, accumulation zone, then we take profits, then we look at the situation with BTC, and if BTC is high, then I'm going to take profits into cash, into stable coins, and I'm going to use stable coins to buy more BTC on a correction. And then when BTC is going to go up, then I'm going to take profits into cash. But if BTC will be lower and the lower levels, then I'm going to use Pyth Network and transform it automatically into BTC, and then wait for BTC to grow and then transform everything into cash. So ideally that would be going from 2K up to 16 if everything works out perfectly. But there are two conditions. We have to fill up a little bit of this order box right here because I need lower levels, and then we have to go in this area over here, take profits, and see what's up with BTC. And maybe Ethereum dominance will be lower. So it's very easy. You go to Ethereum BTC chart. We're pretty much at the lower end right now. And if it stay like this, I may take some profits into Ethereum and just wait for a little Ethereum right, then transform it into BTC or into cash. So we'll see. I will let you know how my trade is going. I will keep you updated, so make sure you subscribe. And I think this is it for today. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, drop them down below. You can go to my Telegram. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye.